Hello guys, so now we will discuss about your next important topic, which is shock. So from your exam point of view, hypovolemic shock is more important topic than other types of shock. For completion's sake, I gave you this chart where you can find this cardiac output, heart rate, central venous pressure, then oxygen saturation, right? Pulmonary capillary OH pressure. So how this changes with parameters changes with different types of shock, right? So but from your exam point of view, hypovolemic shock is most important. So we will discuss about hypovolemic shock, its classification, and we will see how these parameters changes with each class of hypovolemic shock, right? So here I am taking the new slide for hypovolemic shock, right? hypovolemic shock, right? So the class there are four. You can divide it into four sections: class 1, class 2, class 3, and class 4. So just remember that in class 1 of hypovolemic shock, the blood loss is almost 0 to 15% blood loss, right? 0 to 15% blood loss in class 1. So here first I will tell how much percentage of blood loss is there in all classes, right? So this will make things easier. So in class 1 there is 0 to 15% blood loss. In class 2 it is 15 to 30%. In class 3 it is your 30 to 40%, and in class 4 it is more than 40%. This is your classification of hypovolemic shock, classification based on the percentage of blood loss. So in class 1 I am repeating 0 to 15% blood loss. In class 2 15 to 30%, class 3 30 to 40%, class 4 more than 40%. So in class 1 we have to give, if we give blood donation, right, nothing changes, right? So because it is a minimal amount of blood loss, we can even donate our blood in if we're in class 1 shock, no change will be seen, right? Now in class 2 there is compensation, right? Compensation in the way pulse rate here increases, but systolic blood pressure is normal. So only pulse rate increases there, right? And base deficit is minus 2 to minus 6. Base deficit minus 2 to minus 6. And management is with IV crystalloids. Right? So remember that in class 2 there is compensation, pulse rate increases, systolic blood pressure is normal, base deficit minus 2 to minus 6, management with only IV crystalloids. In class 3, here is the important part, and this you should remember, that in class 3 systolic blood pressure decreases, and here base deficit is minus 6 to minus 10. The patient remains confused here, and here the management is crystalloid plus colloid in the ratio 3:1. And in class 4, where there is already more than 40% blood loss, the parameters are non-recordable, and here management is massive blood transfusion. And this we will see in our next slide, what is massive blood transfusion and all. But for now remember, this is the classification of hypovolemic shock. So I am repeating it once again. So hypovolemic shock classification, it is mainly of 4 types: class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. Hypovolemic shock class 1 with 0 to 15% blood loss, class 2 15 to 30%, class 3 30 to 40%, class 4 more than 40%, right? So in class 1 blood loss, even if you donate your blood, no changes will be seen. All parameters are near about normal and fine. In class 2 there is compensation where there is increased pulse rate. Systolic blood pressure is normal where base deficit is -2 to -6. Management is with IV crystalloids. In class 3 with 30 to 40% blood loss, systolic blood pressure decreases. Is the important change. -6 to -10 base deficit, confused patient, and management is with IV crystalloids and colloids in the ratio 3:1. And type 4 where there is more than 40% blood loss, the parameters becomes non-recordable and we have to give massive blood transfusion. So in the next slide we will see about what is massive blood transfusion and the related complications, TALI, TECO, everything we will see in our next slide. So we will meet in the next slide again, and I hope this concept is clear about hypovolemic shock, right? And I hope you will not make mistake from this important topic. This is a simple topic. I hope you will not make any mistake, right? So thank you. We will meet in our new video, right?